what are we doing next?
We're finally making avocado toast.
Okay.
So we're still gonna use the pesto. This is just another recipe you can use that pesto in. So we have our avocado. We're gonna start with this first, and then we're gonna kind of season our avocado. So you're gonna take this lemon, and you're gonna gently squeeze. So just a few squeezes throughout, perfect, exactly. And I'll take out the seeds. And the reason you wanna do just a few and not like a ton is because you're not trying to make guacamole, or you don't want it to be a huge lemony taste, but you do want to put
just a little
splash.
dash of citrus.
So then you can take this fork and you're gonna press it down and make it into a mash.
Okay.
And then I have some Parmesan cheese. I zested it so it looks like angel cheese. So you're gonna sprinkle that on top. So how much cheese you use is basically, if you look at the avocado, you wanna make sure that you have a fair amount on each piece.
So you make this for your kids when you were little, or was that not a thing?
No, it's definitely not a thing. It's definitely something my husband loves, is avocado toast. So
a way to kind of get kids to introduce them to flavors.
For sure. That's a little different from guacamole, for sure.
Right.
So we have our cheese, we have a splash of lemon. Now we're gonna take a pinch of salt. So it's all about building flavor. So
what kind of cheese?
This is Parmesan cheese.
Oh,
okay. So now we're gonna take our toast. Take this one. And then we're gonna build. So we'll take we can use the spoon. Sorry, reaching in front of you. Take a little bit of our pesto.
Okay.
I'll give you this. You're gonna take that pesto and kind of smear it all over. Then you'll take a little bit of your avocado and do the same thing. It's kind of easier to do with a fork, actually.
Yeah, I think the layer that I've been missing from my very basic avocado toast is this pesto.
Yes, it kicks it up for sure. And then when you are pressing it into your toast, you want to make sure that you don't have like a mountain of avocado in it everywhere, right? Because you're going to add other toppings on top. And the same thing of when you take a bite, you want to taste everything. And you just have to keep in mind the thickness of your toast. So nothing should be higher than that. They should all kind of be, close or equal.
I think another tip is mixing in the cheese and the avocado. Yes. I haven't seen that before.
It just gives it a little nuttiness, a little depth, and it's delicious. So now that we have our avocado, I'm gonna sprinkle some tomatoes. We're not gonna make it today with a poached egg, but if you wanna be really fancy, a poached egg would make this just one up it for sure.
Just some little cherry tomatoes.
Just some little cherry tomatoes. You could use Campari too. These are just so cute. We're trying to spruce it up. Okay, so we have this. We're gonna use a little red onion, not a lot. And then here I have a goat feta that I'm gonna crumble with my hand. So it's nutty, it's salty. And then you just make sure that you have little crumbles throughout. We're probably gonna have to go wash our hands. So the last few touches are that we're gonna use everything but the bagel seasoning, and I'm gonna pass it to you. So a little shake on top.
I mean, this is good on anything, right?
Basically.
Nice. Where do you get this?
This one's Costco. They sell it. Trader Joe's also has a great one.
Okay. Yeah.
Whole Foods has a great one.
My sisters rave about this stuff.
Yeah, so good.
Okay, everything but the bagel seasoning.
And then the last final touch is a little bit of the drizzle of the balsamic again.
You don't do the...
You totally could, the avocado oil.
No.
100%. But
okay.
I feel, so in all foods, you need a little bit of fat. You need acid sometimes. And so you already have the fat from the avocado.
Oh, makes sense.
So there's a little bit of balance.
Right,
and
we didn't have that in the last one, so.
Yeah. Okay, so let's take a slice.
So that's it.
That's basically it. Look at all the layers.
Yeah.
It's a little deceiving because you can't tell how much work went into that avocado.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
tastes different from a normal avocado toast because the avocado is salty, nutty, and then it goes well with the goat cheese.
Taste that nuttiness from the Parmesan, right?
Right?
So as a quick recap for the basil avocado toast, we've got the pesto, we've got the avocado, cherry tomatoes, a little bit of goat cheese,
Feta. Goat feta.
goat feta, everything bagel, everything but the bagel spice,
Some
balsamic,
some salt.
red onion, and we didn't use this.
We didn't use that. We're going to use it in the next dish.
Okay. Yeah, and that was it. So it's so easy, perfect little snack to whip up for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Yeah, I'm excited to try this at home in my own kitchen.
It's so easy, so you don't really need a ton of stuff.